SUNUV Gel Nail Kit. Salon-Perfect nails at home. No drama, just glam. Tired of spending a fortune at the nail salon? Meet the SUNUV Gel Nail Polish Kit, your all-in-one ticket to flawless, long-lasting nails without leaving your couch. This kit has it all. 16 stunning gel colors, a high-powered 48-watt UV lamp, and 8 professional manicure tools. Whether you're into bold reds, chic nudes, or glittery sparkles, this set has the perfect shade for every mood and season. Plus, the HEMA-free formula ensures your nails stay healthy and gorgeous. Why pay salon prices when you can DIY like a pro? What sets the SUNUV kit apart? It's not just a nail polish set, it's a complete salon experience in a box. The 48-watt UV lamp cures your polish in seconds, thanks to 33 LEDs and 4 timer settings for precision. The gel polishes are made from natural resin, offering high shine, low odor, and up to 21 days of chip-free wear. Compared to other kits, SUNUV delivers salon-quality results with zero harsh chemicals. It's perfect for beginners and nail art enthusiasts alike, making it a must-have for anyone who loves flawless nails. Let's talk durability, because no one has time for chipped nails. SUNUV's gel polish stays put for weeks, even through typing, dishwashing, and everyday wear. The UV lamp ensures a quick, even cure, while the glossy top coat locks in that high-shine finish. Unlike cheaper kits that flake or fade, SUNUV's formula is designed to last. And with 16 colors to choose from, you'll never run out of creative nail ideas. Save time, money, and trips to the salon with this game-changing kit. Comfort and convenience? Check. The SUNUV kit includes everything you need for a professional manicure. Nail files, buffers, separators, cuticle tools, and more. The UV lamp features a removable base for easy cleaning and an infrared sensor for perfect curing every time. Whether you're prepping your nails or adding intricate designs, this kit makes the process effortless. It's the ultimate at-home nail solution for busy women who want to look polished, literally, without the hassle. Looking for the perfect gift? Look no further. Packaged in a beautifully designed box, the SUNUV Gel Nail Kit is a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a practical yet luxurious gift that anyone would love. With its affordable price, top-notch quality, and endless creative possibilities, this kit is a no-brainer. Ditch the salon appointments and embrace the convenience of Salon-Perfect nails at home. Your nails, and your wallet, will thank you.